Good morning, HTS viewers. My name is Cassaundra, and today you will learn how to add an image into a letter. For example, on Father's Day, I made my husband a shirt that said the word daddy with each of our children's pictures in a letter. So I took this and turned it into this. If you want to achieve this, it's honestly a lot simpler than you think. We'll go ahead and get that out the way. The first thing you want to do is find a font that has bold, thick lines that'll work well with putting pictures inside. This font that I chose is Trade Gothic Display. Then, the hardest part in my opinion is finding an image that works per letter. So you go to upload an image, click browse, and then figure out what image you would like to upload. So like I said, I'm doing images of my children. So I'm going to click that. And for this, you want to click complex to make sure you get nice, bold colors. Continue. You don't have to get rid of any background, so just hit continue again. And then you're going to have to click print, then cut image. Upload that. And then click the image and hit insert image. My image is already in there, so I'll just hit cancel. Takes me back here. So the first letter I'm going to do is the D. So I will take this picture, and you want to make sure you position the picture or arrange the picture behind. So click the arrange and make sure you can either click send to front for your word, or you can click send to back on the image. It doesn't matter. From there, you just have to position it, and you want to make sure that the line of the D, in this case, is not outside of the picture view. So you just want to figure out how you're going to position it to get the whole picture, the whole image, part of the image that you want in the letter. And you can make it bigger or smaller depending on whatever you have to do. So then once you figure out the positioning you want, you highlight both and go to the bottom right corner and click slice. Once that slice, then just delete the D, delete the border of the picture, and you will have your image in a letter. I'm going to repeat the process one more time. So you find your picture, figure out what position you would like the picture to be in, make it smaller or bigger depending on what you're looking for, highlight both, and slice. Now, this is an example of what not to do. So for this, I accidentally got part of the other D. I don't want that. I want that D, so I'm just going to undo what I did and position the photo a little bit different, make it a little smaller, and now slice again. Delete that, delete the outline, and then I have my A. Then once you find the rest of your images, you just continue the process. Once you understand how to do it, it's extremely easy and you're able to get it done pretty quickly. Like I said in the beginning, the hardest part is finding an image that you want to use. Delete the border, delete the letter, got my D. slice, delete the border, delete the letter, and I got my Y. Now, you might be thinking, well, now the word's not connected, it's not straight. So you just highlight the whole word, go to align, and you align center vertically. And now it's perfectly straight. Now, if I were to attach this, it is 12.715, which is longer than print and cut allows you to do. If you want to be able to print it this big, all you do is detach it and just attach, about halfway through. Make sure you get the full letter. So I'll attach the last D's and the Y and the first D and the A. That way, when it goes to print, all I have to do is, and like I said, it's print and cut, so it'll all pop up on one page, is once it's printed, all you have to do is get your transfer tape or your cover sheet, however you transfer your images, and cut this down the middle and put the D and the A on one, and then put the last D, D, Y, connect it, and it'll give you one solid image. Okay, so I hope this video helped show you how to insert an image into a letter. Mind you, you don't have to use this specific font. You can choose a font of your own that you like, and you can choose whatever size you would like. Thank you for watching.
For 300 more craft tutorials, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit that bell. Thanks, everyone.